Hey everybody, Brandon Boyd with The Brandon Boyd Show. Thank you so much for watching. Today's episode is going to be a lot of fun. We're going to get an up-close look at the new American Express Platinum card designs and see what they really look like. It's going to be a lot of fun. But before we do that, if you do find this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. And if you are a fan of receiving the latest information on credit cards, points and miles, travel, money, and everything in between delivered in a fun, fast-paced format, then watch as the subscribe button and the notification bell show up to crash a local wedding. As I mentioned, I am going to be doing an unboxing of both American Express Platinum card designs that just came out on January the 20th. So this is really exciting. My wife and I each have the Platinum card already, but we wanted to see what these new designs look like, so we requested new cards. I've got both of our classic Platinum card designs right here, and it's interesting, we got these around the same time. However, hers is a little bit different with the word Platinum written across the front, while mine does not have that. We are going to compare what these two classic card designs look like with the new card designs, because hey, new stuff is always fun. It's fun to get shiny new toys, and we're going to get an up-close look at those. And just so you know, there are two different designers that helped develop these new designs for American Express's Platinum card, and that is, I'm going to read this, Kehinde Wiley and Julie Muritu. Okay, I hope I got that right. This is going to be really interesting to see because one is a more floral design while the other is a very, I guess you would call it an abstract design. So I'm interested to see what these look like up close. So first of all, you may be wondering how you can get one of these new card designs. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm going to screen record my phone screen right now. I'll show you exactly how to do this. So open up your American Express app and pull up your Platinum card if you already have the Platinum card. And in the bottom right hand corner, you'll see Account. Click on Account, and then once you pull that up, you'll see Replace Card. Click on Replace Card. At that point, you'll then want to select the American Express Platinum card, so we'll do that. And then it'll ask you if you want to continue to replace the card. Sure, why not? Let's do that. And then you can decide if it's been lost, stolen, damaged, or you just want to change your card design. Now, if you do put that it was damaged or that you've lost it, you may get it a little bit faster, but, you know, I'll leave that up to you if you want to mislead on that. That's perfect. You can do whatever you want. It doesn't matter to me. But I just put that I wanted the new card design, okay? And then when you're applying for the card, if you don't have the Platinum card already, then you can do this during the application part because it will give you 3 different choices right there while you're applying for the card. You can also call customer service. You can also use the chat feature within the app. Basically, there's about 3 or 4 different ways to get the new card designs if you want to get them. I want to make this clear that this is not a review of the American Express Platinum card. I've got that down in the description below. You can check that out as well. But I say we just get going. Let's unbox these things and see what they really look like. All right, my mail delivery person should be here any minute. They always show up right when I need them when I'm shooting a video. Oh, hey, how's it going? You know what? I've got a lot more credit cards to unbox this year, so I'm looking forward to working with you on these deliveries. I hope you're ready.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Okay, just chill for a second, all right? I'll just take the mail. Ah, people get so touchy these days. I don't know what the deal is. All right, so we've got 2 different envelopes here. Like I said, both my wife and I each got a replacement card. I think I'm going to open hers up first because I think that she's really going to like this. And I think it's probably the safest choice in terms of design. It's a more floral design. So let's open this up, see what's in the envelope. Let's get some crinkly paper noise here on the envelope. Get a little dramatic. And I just ripped that open like a gorilla. I apologize in advance. Oh, I guess you can send back your old card here. If you want to do that. Why would you want to do that? We may use her old one as a comparison for the classic design later. And here's the card, and oh, wow. I didn't expect that. All right, so I've got to say a few things about this card first of all. I mean, you've got the classic feel of an American Express Platinum card. It's very thick. We already knew that because we've already got the card, and you've probably already got it too if you're looking at this video. But man, this design is very unique, and I think my wife is absolutely going to love this thing. You know, this is something interesting and something that does not come through online at all in this picture, but it's the first thing I noticed when I took this card out, and that is that the flowers themselves, or at least almost all of them, are raised a little bit, all right? And all the stems are raised. Actually, most of the stems are raised, and the others look like they're etched right into the card. This is a really unique look and feel when you just rub your fingers across the card. You can feel all the raised areas of the flowers and the stems. This is very, very interesting, I gotta say. And the colors on this pop really, really well off that platinum color of the card. So I think when she's trying to find her platinum card, this one will stick out big time because you're not gonna miss this design. I like the way it blends from the flower design. You can see there's a transition point here to where it then goes into the regular American Express Platinum background image there. So very, very unique look. One more thing to note on this floral design, the 4 numbers on the front are kind of hard to see. Now we've got them covered up here just for security purposes, but it's kind of hard to see and it blends right in with the floral design, so it may be a little bit harder to see, but that could be a good thing if you're worried about privacy when using this card. This is probably one of the nicest cards I've ever seen, if not the nicest. So 2 thumbs up on that one, American Express. Really like it. Okay, so we've opened up that one, and I'm going to compare it to this one in here as well, and we're also going to compare it side by side with the classic look as well. But before we get too far into it, first of all, I'm very impressed with that floral design. I mean, it was actually way nicer than I thought. So I'm going to open this up. This is probably going to be similar with the envelope to send something back. And let's see what this one looks like. This is the more abstract design, and boy, that is abstract. Oh, man. Okay. I'm not 100% sure where to start with this one. All right. Like the floral design, a lot of these, I'm going to call them swipes or stripes or swirls, whatever you want to call them, have a little bit of a raised texture to them. And that's something that I don't think comes across when you're looking online at this card. It looks like it's just, you know, a colorful splashed card. All of these pieces appear to be glossy as well. There's not really a matte finish that I can tell to any of these. You can see the American Express Platinum, just regular platinum background in the background, which is different than the floral design, which had more of a textured look to it and then faded into the traditional American Express Platinum card background. So that is a little bit different. I'll be honest with you, I'm not 100% sure what to think about this. Is it just me, or is this a Capital One logo, maybe in reverse on the American Express card here in the front? I could be crazy. I think they put it there on purpose. That looks like a very intentional mark and does not look random at all like the other stripes and swirls that are in here. That looks like somebody said, put this in the card, we want it in there. So it's really interesting. I don't know if they can get away with it because they flipped it around. It would kind of be like me taking the Nike swoosh logo and putting it on my channel as my channel art and just flipping the little check mark around. Probably not going to work in the long term. Now let's get real here for a second. Let's compare the new card designs with each other first, and then we'll look at them compared to the classic card design. If I'm looking at these 2 new ones together, for me, there is no question which one is the better design. Now, I don't go around, you know, picking flowers and wear flowers in my hair and all that kind of stuff. I'm just telling you that a good design is good design, and this one with the floral pattern on it is a very good design, probably the nicest one that I've seen on a card. And when you compare it directly with the other one, they are apples and oranges. And to me, it's no contest that the floral design is much better. So my wife will enjoy using that. If you're just looking at these 2 from a design aesthetic, you're just being objective. And of course, you know from the channel, from seeing my wardrobe, that I worry about design aesthetic all the time. I have a deep passion for it. That is sarcasm. I've got to go with the floral pattern here. There's just something about this abstract design that isn't really doing it for me. It looks like a mess. It actually looks like an American Express Platinum card that I left in my son's crayon box from school, and then he played with it, and then I pulled it back out, and now it's got all these multicolored stripes on it everywhere with a Capital One logo right in the center. So for me, this is no contest. If you have an American Express Platinum card, you're probably a little flashy to begin with because that annual fee is nothing to sneeze at by any means. But if you're looking to add a little bit more spice to your wallet, and hey, even make it easier to find the card in your wallet, because the Platinum card can blend in quite a bit with some of the other cards, then this is a good way to be able to find it very easily with either one of the new patterns. I did ask the American Express representative if we could replace the card again if we didn't like the new design, and of course they said that they could do that. So if you do get this in and you're like, what the heck is this, Brandon? You were way off. I don't like either one of these new designs. Then you can certainly go back to the old design and go back that way if you want something a little bit more simple. Let me know what you think about these cards down in the comments, because these are very interesting looks, to say the least. I will say, if I'm just looking at pure design and total presentation, I think the floral design knocks it out of the park, not only with the colors, the pattern, the design, the raised texturing, and then how it fades from the floral design into the American Express Platinum background as a whole. It's just a whole presentation that's put together very, very well, and I think they did a really good job. I think the abstract card is going to be more of a hit or miss, honestly. And then the classic card works for almost everybody. It's a nice card. People like to flash it when they go out, but if you need a little bit more flash, you can certainly pick up one of these 2 new card designs. So let me know what you think down in the comments. There's no right or wrong answer. Do you like either one of the designs? Which one is your favorite overall? Do you like the new ones or the old ones? Are you going to look into these new cards? A lot of questions to be raised. Let us know what you think down in the comments. If you found this video helpful or mildly entertaining, don't forget to be awesome. Give me a big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell notifications for alerts. And when you click on The Brandon Boyd Show, click, click, click. It's going to be time to check in on everything related to credit cards, points and miles, finance, money, unboxings, new card designs, and everything in between. And I look forward to seeing you on the next episode. We'll see you soon.